All right, everyone, welcome to today's recap. I hope you all are doing well and staying blessed. If you guys are new here, my name is Jeremiah. I'm a small cap day trader. I stream every single day, Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I upload my recaps after every trading session, regardless of whether I'm red or green. Today is day 11 of the one trade a day challenge, and I am currently sitting in the red, $2.61. I traded SPAI. This stock has a flow of 12.4 million shares. It did have news. It was about a $1 million award for something. Hold on. So yeah, Safe Pro Group wins $1 million U.S. government AI edge processing subcontract. So I read that and I was like, okay, it's Friday. There's not a lot of stocks that are going to be putting out news. Maybe this will give us a move. Sort of low, semi-low float, 12.4 million shares. Relative volume is currently 220 times the usual. Daily volume is only 3 million, which is not that much actually. And the price that I traded at was around $5. So yeah, I thought this would maybe give us a decent move. I had drawn out the daily levels already. I saw it just curl back up here off of so it bounced off VWAP and this daily level here, and I'm thinking, okay, maybe we'll get a move up to this next daily level. And originally, like I thought I was correct. I was like, okay, and then it reverses and goes right. I'm like, okay, well, that's not what I was hoping for. I could have probably sold it sooner. It did flush really, really quickly, I must say, but the fact that it popped up here originally and made people think that it was going to work and then it flipped over red, I think that maybe could have told us that, I don't know, it's time to sell. But I wanted to let it work for a second, but obviously that didn't happen. We have been in a colder market, so you really have to be quick to cut your losers, and I think I've done a fairly decent job of that. My other trading days, however, today it didn't. I don't know. I think a mixture of me not doing that really well and I just having the misfortune of getting caught in this flush here. But this is actually not where it ends. So this is a 23-cent loser, 23 cents a share loser, which is pretty big actually compared to it is the biggest loser cents per share I think in this challenge or month for that matter. And it amounted to $1.16 on 5 shares. So this is where I should have walked away because realistically, a good day in this challenge would be getting 20 cents a share on 5 shares, and that would be obviously $1. It wouldn't even be this much. So this should be max loss. $1 should be really max loss. It really should be 50 cents, but $1 would be okay because I mean it's fine if I get caught in a flush like this, but I did not walk away after this trade. I stuck around for one more, and you guys will see similar thing happens here. So we tap the 90 EMA. It looks like that's support. So I'm like, okay, here we go. Let's go for the breakthrough VWAP, and it pops up for my entry immediately, and I'm like, okay, let's go. And then it starts to reject, and then it goes red, and then another flush. So I think I could have sold it as soon as it went red. That would have been better, but I was like, you know what? There's no way this happens to me twice. But I really can't be getting into that type of mindset. You just have to cut it. So I think both of these could have been cut quicker. Realistically, I don't think I would have taken this trade if I hadn't lost here. I think this was sort of a revenge trade. Yesterday I fell into FOMO. But yeah, if you look here at my trade history on the chart, look, bought up here. This candle is what I got caught in. And then again, I got caught in this candle, the flush. So 2 times in a row. That's really, really frustrating, and it's a bigger red day. That's like 50 cents a share on 5 shares. So that's a lot of drawdown to get out of in this for the rest of this month. So it is what it is. You know, not gonna cry over spilled milk, but this is just something for me to learn from. Um, if it does this once, it'll do it again. I should have known that this stock is prone to flushing. So we'll take a look at another stock here actually that I was looking at. So this was earlier in the day, CDIO. Here, let me make it so that. So I said I wasn't gonna trade this because it had jackknifed here. So we had a jackknife here, we had a jackknife here, and we had a jackknife here. And I was like, I am not touching this because every time it pops up and it looks like it's about to pull away, it just reverses. So not interested in this, not trading it. However, when I got caught in that flush on SPAI, I didn't think to myself, oh, it's going to do that again. But that's exactly what happened, and I get to learn from that. Uh, Sometimes you just have to lose to learn, and that's the way things go. So I think move forward from today. There's also another few things to take note of. I forgot where I was. I just was interrupted, but um, today is just something to learn from. Just like yesterday, uh, you do have to lose to learn sometimes, and this is the way trading goes. Um, yeah. Oh, yes. I was talking about there's other things to take note of today. I don't think I was very disciplined in the way I approached trading today. The market was slow, and so I let myself slip away in the way that I was just on my phone scrolling, um, kind of having my attention dispersed between trading, um, Instagram Reels, and I don't know. I think that just kind of contributed to my poor decision making today. And I was just quick to jump in. Like I didn't have a lot of thought but behind my entries, or yeah, my entries today. Um, and that can be the difference between a green day and a red day. So just gonna take this and learn with it, but uh, yeah, hopefully I can get out of drawdown pretty soon. We'll see. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from this video. And with that, I'll see you all in my next recap. Peace.